So, what is the nuBeginning Success Tribe? What is the nuBeginning Success Tribe? A network for solopreneurs. Live interactive training each week. My business systems and frameworks. Expert guest training from industry experts. On-demand training and resource hub. Direct access to me for real-time feedback. No contracts. My exclusive membership program is approaching, packed with thousands of dollars worth of resources. Additionally, every month, members will gain access to new resources valued at least $300. Workshop and course access. Founding members will have free access to any paid workshops or courses for the duration of their membership. Timely trends reports. We will post in our private FB group where you can start conversations and share challenges and ideas, and offer each other support. This community welcomes ambitious entrepreneurs, solopreneurs seeking support along their journey, and small business owners aiming to enhance and expedite their growth. We gather online 6 times monthly. First sessions are dedicated to fresh live training topics, while the remaining 2 offer opportunities for hot seat coaching, mindset discussions, Q&A sessions, or engaging with expert guests. Submit your questions beforehand to maximize assistance. We aim to make this group accessible and budget-friendly for online business owners at any stage.